POS business. I must concentrate this year. Make sure say no form of distraction must distract me from this my business. Any of my old girlfriend will come meet me now, they ask me for money, I no go answer them because this year I must stay focused.
Oh my friend, I no believe say if you set up this your new business so quickly after you just released you not too long ago from jail.
True, my guy. As they go for Lagos now, everything just tight. Person needs to diversify in income. Make sure say they make money from different places. You know as they go now as a Lagos guy.
You Tom, no wahala. Make I quickly patronize you for this your new business. I beg, I need like 2,000.
You as my guy, no worry now, I go give you discount. Yeah, your charges na 300.
300 naira. Say that one not too much like that. Tom, na me, your guy, Joe.
Joe, no vex now. You know say this our business now. Now money we dey take find money. You know easy. That's why.
Not allow them, make them kill you.
No wahala, Tom. As it be say this year, nobody want grief for anybody. Just give out to me like that.
No wahala, Joe. You know say today now you be my first customer.
Tom, forget that thing. Say na my money won't take pay your shop rent.
See me see trouble. Say na me be the first person wey start this thing for POS. I beg quickly move Jerry, be like say I get new customer for here.
Excuse me, Oga. I beg, I for like use POS. Now how much be your charges for 20,000?
Yes, customer. Charges for 20,000 na 5,000 naira.
Tom, why your charges come high like this now? I hope say you know say na because of things like this now they spoil this country.
Yes, so Oga, your charges is too much. I know if you collect money for this your shop.
I beg, if una no wan patronize my business, no problem. Make una go on that place. Na me be the only POS guy for this street.
No wahala, Oga. I go grab that place I beg. Which kind thing be all this one?
You need to take careful though. What you they do like this no good.
Joe, no worry. Now so they do am. Na part of the hustle for POS business with this.
No wahala, Tom. As for me, I don't tell you my own as a friend. They know they increase your charges anyhow. You no good though.
My friend, get away there, Jerry. Say now you want to teach me this work. They hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
No matter. Me, I don't talk my own. If you like, listen. If you like, no listen. Now you sabi.
See this book. You know as hustle they go for Lagos. Get away you, Jerry. Carry that your big head come out from here, Joe. Just look at this guy. Carry big head like calabash like this. Common sense you no get. Later you go talk say na street guy.
Abeg, Oga, na POS they do for you.
Ah, yes, my dear. Fine girl. Na POS we dey do for you. How much you need?
I don't know, this your POS is small well. It dey just say if we handle the kind of amount when I need.
Ah, beautiful girl. No worry now. This is Mr. Tom's POS. We handle any amount. You need 10 million, we will bring am. 100 million, sir, we will deliver.
Oga, that kind of money for this your small shop. See, we do the change.
Yes, so fine girl. You know now, as a big boy in Lagos, this one is just one of my business. You understand? But I deal in cash.
Okay, Oga, I don't hear. No wahala, make I try this your shop. You know what you go do? Make I do 100,000.
Oh, my dear, that amount is small money. No worry, I'll give you the cash now. But I hope say after this transaction, me and you will fit see later now. You understand now, as a Lagos guy.
Hey, see this man, oh. You want those big girl like me? I hope say you get money sharp, cause me na money I like.
My dear, once me and you don't sign contract, na forever binding. No worry, I dey tell you. My name na Mr. Tom, the only Lagos guy for this street.
No wahala now. Look what they see as things go be between us. For now, Sha, we'll finish this our transaction first.
No problem, my dear. Oh yeah, see your money here.
Oga, how much be this way they give me so? This one will reach 100,000 now.
Yes, my dear. For this, my Mr. Tom POS, as you see, so our charges high go. So for a year now, 40,000 be your charges.
Oga, abeg, I no dey play that kind yeye game for street. You know what you go do now? Take your money, make you give me mine. No transfer my money back inside my account.
My dear, for this place now, no refundable business we dey do. Once I don't give you your money, our business has been concluded.
Which kind humble movement be this one? Oh, so you be one of those criminals where they go up and down, they try scam people out there. Now when I destroy this country, then you know who my uncle be.
My dear, I beg no go there. As you see me swear, nobody fit threaten me for this street. I need to be number one for this Lagos. I dey tell you, no police station, no prison where I never sleep inside.
You dey sure about that one, Adi? Okay, so in a wahala you want. Well, you don't enter one chance now. I will deal with you today.
See this small girl like you, I just even dey try like say, mo get away here, Jari. What you want to do?
No worry, Oga. She be think say you smart. I dey come back now. Just wait for me here.
I dey here can't be, I no dey go anywhere. My name na Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. Business today has been very, very good. My boy don't hammer for you. Na so I just dey obtain people money left and right. This year no gree for anybody. You really pay gone. Like say time don't go. Make I quickly dey go house so I go feel rest in time. Come back to first thing tomorrow morning.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Uncle, na the man be that.
So Mr. Tom, you don't start to POS business now. Now you dey use and dey take obtain people money by force, abi? Officer. Oga, no do anything, no. Na just my business I dey run.
Uncle, I just use POS for this guy side. Make he give me 100,000. Come out in charges. Now so he come out 40,000 naira as charges. Give me 60,000.
Mr. Tom, which kind criminal you be now? This one I dey call daylight robbery. Well, no worry, when we reach station, you go explain better. Oga, I no do anything now. Na normal POS business be this now. So they do the hustle now. Hey God, which kind of wahala be this? Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.